Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So if today is your first time coming across this face, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do like this video and please leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. So for today's video, I am going to be doing how you can elegantly transition into fall from summer outfits. Alright, let me rephrase that. How you can elegantly transition from your summer outfit into fall outfit.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
So in this video, it's not going to be me showing you colors or trend because I don't do trend. I do classic, right? Things I can wear year round. That's what I actually do purchase. So fashion for me is comfort. Whatever you're comfortable with. I am not here to project my style into anybody's life, but these are just tips and idea. Tips that I'm going to be sharing are things that are just an idea, tips, ideas of how you can transition elegantly from your summer outfit into fall outfit. Most times I don't usually run to the store just because we're about to go into fall, into spring, into summer, into winter. No, I first of all check my closet. I'll see what I have from from the past that I think I can still wear and they are still very wearable. That is why I said I love to purchase things that are classic. So in this video, I'm going to be showing 3 outfits basically where I'm going to be restyling them. So I chose to do a shirt, a skirt, and a dress, and I will show you how you can easily transition elegantly from summer to fall outfits. And before we jump right into this video, I'm going to use this time to say thank you once again to Dozier perfume company for reaching out to me once more to collaborate with me to sponsor my videos over and over again. I thank you so much. Thank you for trusting in me and believing me that I can do this. Who doesn't want to smell good, or who doesn't want to have that good scent whenever you pass by people and they stop you and ask you, excuse me, what are you wearing? Or you get this kind of compliment, girl, you smell so good. They will tell you look good and you tell you smell so good. Those are my jams. Those are the things I love to hear. Dressing up, I'm not dressing up for anybody. I just dress up for myself to look comfortable and very presentable. That's how I like to look almost every day before I step out of my house. So today I'm going to be featuring 2 perfumes from Dozier. Do you all know that if you own a perfume from Dozier, it doesn't belong to any brand? It belongs to you. And the reason why I said so is because their perfume are targeted towards the brand names that some of us spend our hard-earned money on. They are not fake. I love to stress it out. I don't like people saying fake. These are not fake and these are not dupes. Yes, these are tailored. They are inspired by those high-end perfume that we spend our money on. For those of you that will be coming across this perfume for the first time, this brand, Dozier, it might be new to you. And for some of you that have been here to over and over, I appreciate you. All right, and this is how this one is looking in the bottle. This one is called the Floral Pink Pepper, and this one is inspired by Dior, Miss Dior. All right, and this one concentration is 18% concentration, and it has the top note, the middle note, and the base note, which I like to put on the screen in order for you to see them and in order not to prolong this video. This perfume size is 50 ml. It's very travel size friendly, and also the cover is magnetic. Like I always say in the past, in the box, whenever you open it, you have this where you're going to have the information about the bottle that you have in that particular box. Like I mentioned, this is Floral Pink Pepper and inspired by Dior. You have the top notes, the middle note, and the base note also on the card, and you also have it on the bottle. Just in case if you misplace this, you'll be able to remember what are the notes of this particular perfume. I'm not wearing any perfume at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and try it on my wrist as usual. Oh my, it's sweet. Woo. Ooh, I love it. Wow, it's sweet. It has like a kind of baby powdery kind of scent. Let me see if there's anything like that I'm smelling there. Oh my god, this smells so good, guys. This smells so good, ladies. Wow. Yeah, I like it. It's soft, it's not hard, it's not that overpowering. Even if you're kind of sensitive, you know, some people put perfume and they start sneezing. This is not going to give you that kind of vibe or that kind of effect. I like it. I like the way it smells, and it smells like it's going to stay much more longer on your body. So ladies, this is the first outfit I'll be featuring, which is the dress you're looking at. It is not necessary that it has to be black and white. You can pick any kind of your own dress that you have in your closet. It might be a spaghetti strap, it might be a mono strap or whatsoever. So I pick up a sweater from my closet as well. This sweater is by Michael Kors. You all have seen this dress before in my previous video, the one I presented from Rotita. I just pair it up and I looked at it. Looks good. It's very simple. It's just fall. So I decided to add a belt to it to accentuate my waist and just make me look more feminine. And you all can see how it all looks so good put together. I decided to draw up the sleeves just to give me a little bit style right there. And it all looks well good. And if you're worried about proportion, that it's too long and you just want to, you know, make it look a little bit chic, the idea is just to tuck it into your belt, just like the way I'm doing it right now. You tuck in the right, the left, and you tuck in the back, and you look all put together. Just look at that. Look at the transformation. You can see all the, you know, all the shape that you're trying to show them, you know. So ladies, this is how I will transition this outfit elegantly into fall outfit. And if it becomes really cold, all you have to do is find something like this I presented right now, like turtleneck. Oh, this is, to be honest, I forgot what this is called. You can see the back is not all the way down. I found this in a thrift store and I love it. I purchased it, so I decided to do it like this. You can wear it under it or on top, and I decided to pair it with a boot just to keep my feet warm when it gets really cold. So ladies, from this point on, I get really lazy to do a voiceover for each outfit. So I'm just going to let you watch. You are going to see that it's very easy. They're very self-explanatory. I'm just giving you an idea of how you can transition, you know, elegantly from your dress, from your shorts, from your skirts, summer outfit into fall outfit. So I'm just going to let you all watch and let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. Please do not forget to check in the description box for every necessary links that you're going to need for the product from Dozier. All right, ladies.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
So right now we're going to jump into the second bottle, which I received from Dozier, and this one is called Flora Marshmallow. Very new to me. It says this one is inspired by Killian Love, Don't Be Shy. This is 18% concentration, and this is how this look in the bottle. Because I already have perfumes in my wrist and this side and that side, I'm going to go ahead and try it on the card that it came with. So we're going to go ahead and try this. Like I said, I've never owned anything like this before, Killian, and I've never heard of that brand before, and this is inspired by that brand. All right, so let's wait and see. This one is also soft and very feminine. I wonder what the notes are. I can't really see them clearly because I use glasses. All right, I can say it's very soft. Both of the perfume that I tried today are very soft and very feminine. They are not overpowering. They are not something that you're gonna put on and you're gonna smell masculine, if you get my point. They smell very light, like it's gonna make you to stand out. I love it. I love it. I love it. They are nice and beautiful, feminine, floral scents.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights of sleep.